Good morning, Jerry. All right, here's your 539. Sitting on my flathead. Testing and adjustment have gone well. No problems encountered. No leaks, no runs, no errors. Everything's looking good. We'll look down inside. Nice and dry. Yes, sir. Let's fire it up. There she goes. Looking good, looking good. That down in there. And I don't see any drip. Let's look at some numbers. All right, currently idling at 640. Matt, there you go. Vacuum is at 23. Fuel pressure is at about 2.5. Looking good. Let's go ahead and pull it through a couple times. See how she does. Yes, sir. No stumble. Alrighty. Alright, sir. I think you'll find her to be in good shape. Thank you very much.